These are some materials that I use for my experiment. First, I cut an apple in half and then cut it into 6 equally sized apple slices. Immediately, I put one slices on each place and I started with the treatment and added their respective material or liquid, lemon juice, apple juice, vinegar. After adding all of them, I labeled each plate. Later, I started doing tests too, this to make sure I had more accurate in my data collection. I repeat the same procedure, which is to add the treatment. Finally, I had to wait for the results. I reported the results of test 1 and test 2 in two tables. Performed a statistic analysis to generate adequate graphs. This is my final graph. It reveals the average of the two tests. Also prepared comparative graphs to make descriptive and inferential statistics of my results. It is estimated that there is an 82% more chance of reducing the oxidation process used on lemon juice as a treatment than 18% if no is used a treatment. Here you can see a contrast. The goal of the experiment is to find out which is the most efficient treatment to reduce the time of the enzymatic browning process based on the inferential and descriptive statistics. The result of the experiment revealed that the lemon juice, vinegar, and cold water are the most efficient treatments. Taking our control sample as a mean, pocket apple slices. Finally, I add an extra part to the experiment to have more truthfulness in my results. I continued the experiment 3 years more, in total 6 years, in order to have more accurate in the results. This is what I got. To conclude the experiment, some of the improvement proposals that I had is to carry out a previous investigation before the experiment to generate a more precise hypothesis and to be able to select the variables with greater awareness. Thank you for your attention.